Hello, my name is Hazem Ajlani. I work with Polar Racking. Today I wanted to talk about our core system and how it fits in with agrivoltaics on the field. So some of the key features of our systems is the built-in tolerances and adjustability when it comes to the design itself. So you can see here all the different slots that allow us to do adjustments on site to meet the tolerances. But the other unique thing is the tolerances and adjustability in the foundation and the height. So this is really important when we're working with communities that want to build solar systems on farms and they want to have enough clearance for, let's say, landscaping or for farming as well, and for sheep to graze around the solar field. You can see that with this system specifically, you can raise the entire system up. You have a little bit of tolerance right there just to make adjustments and get more clearance. The other unique thing is what we can do is adjust the row to row spacing. These are independent rows. That means they're not linked together. There's nothing going in between, so a tractor can freely go up and down the row. And there's plenty of room, as you can see. The last thing I want to talk about is the robustness of the design. So we designed this system to withstand, different weather conditions, different climates, and for a period of 20 to 25 years, or depending on the design requirements, really. But you can see here today, this system has been installed 8 years ago. It still stands. The system requirements are still met. It's still intact. And yeah, we were walking with sheep today here. And if you guys are interested to learn more about the product line, please visit us at polarracking.com.